Welcome to Robin's house. Today we're working on the Turtle-y Sweet Scrapbooking Workshop, and the featured technique in this one is flip flaps that will be going. So this guide has a cutting guide if you bought your kit online, and then it has an assembly guide as well. And it included stickers to decorate your pages. And as you can see, we used every single one. So that's very fun. But one thing also to note is these pages are not necessarily turtley until you add the stickers. So if you don't want these to be about turtles or have the turtle decoration, decorate them with something else. So that is too easy. But on this layouts, every two-page layout has a flip flap attached. So on this page, this is a lot of layering with different layers. A nice big cardstock layer, and then we've got stripes that go two different ways, and mainly you'll only notice which way they go by how they interact with the green paper below it. And then we add some little circle. I can't remember if these are stickers or not, but maybe they're not stickers. These are probably die cuts. And then adding the stickers in, I think these are some die cuts as well. So we've got our title and the critters. These are all stickers in the kit. And then we've added the flip flaps. So there are two different ways to add your flip flaps. I generally add my flip flaps to the page directly because I don't have my photos yet for how I'm going to use it. Then on the second page that we're doing here, so this one is stripy layers. So the base decoration is stripes that look equidistant and just a little bit apart to get some of that yellow showing through. But again, this turtle is the only turtle thing on this page. So if you want to decorate another way, that's too easy. And then we're adding these photos. And the last photo is a flip flap also. So if you haven't seen a flip flap before, it's a little plastic pouch with some sticky on the back side so that you can attach it to your projects. So in this one, I attached the flip flap to the page protector. So you just line up the stitches of the flip flap with the photo mount or your photo, and then just attach it directly to the photo, to the page protector. And this works really well when you already have your photos. And then page 3, we have a nice square layout with layering in here and decorations, again with two little turtles. And then on the second page is more of a continuing the stripes over here. And this one is just like that first page. This flip flap is attached to the page directly, but I have cut a slit in here, and I have a separate video to show you how to cut that slit, so that now my page protector is interactive, even though my flip flap is attached directly to my page. And then you just have to take it in and out of the page protector a little carefully so that you catch the flap through that slit. So this is super cute layout. I hope you have fun making it, and stay tuned for my other video to step-by-step on how to cut your page protector to hold a flip flap. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.